So this is my son's school, and I just want to show you the power line. And I talked about it in the live stream yesterday. So this whole stretch of power lines, they replaced most of the transformers. So I noticed I'm not getting that humming noise when I listen to the AM broadcast band. I'm just walking back to my house. So that is a brand new one there. It's a brand new utility pole. So that's one. So this is the second one. This one looks like it needs to be replaced soon. This is the old one. And this is the third one. Of course, the pole is still there, but it looks like they did replace the transformer on this one. So over here, this was replaced yesterday. So it's a big transformer there. That's brand new. They got rid of the old one that was here. So that's the one they just did yesterday. Actually, no, my bad. A few days ago, the one down the block was yesterday. So we're approaching over here by my block, and so there's quite a few new transformers down the block. The same connection. So this is my block. I'm gonna be walking up through here. So this one is old. This is the old one. You can tell if I zoom in. That one's pretty old. You can tell it's rusty. I think this one might be next to be replaced. Okay. So we're approaching the next one, and this one is older too. But it looks a little more recent. Probably a couple of years ago. Okay. And we're just gonna walk the rest of the way a little bit so I can show you. So we're approaching my house. And this is the last one before my house. This one is pretty old too. Eventually this one's probably gonna be replaced. Okay. And then we're finally approaching my home. So as you can see, it is the one right in front of my house. It's been 2 summers now. So as you can see, I think since they've been updating this whole, I'm gonna go all the way down there, all the way down to my son's school, which is, excuse me, that building right there on the foreground, on the background, excuse me, all the way down there. That's my son's school. So it's 2 blocks away. So that whole power line, all those transformers being updated, I think that might have solved the noise issue for now. Okay. And this is my home. This is the front of my house. I'll show you that. So this is the front of my home. As you can see, my TV antenna is there. My disc cone is right there. And you can see all the power lines up here. And of course, this down here is the phone and data lines, fiber optic cable. And that's the end of the street. Okay, I'm at the end of the street. Okay, so there you go. Alrighty, so there you go. So right there is the transformer that's in front of my house. Okay, let me do that again with the without. So this is the one that's installed 2 years ago. So this whole line, like I said, I know David's radio room asked me to come out here with a radio. I will still do that another time. I want my son to be out here. He's gonna have to be my cameraman. But so far, since they put those new transformers down there, the hum disappeared. I no longer have to ground. And when I did that hack with the wire, the switch, I didn't have to do that this time on the second floor, because I just reconnected the disc cone a week ago or so. Yeah, a little over a week ago. a week ago. So hold on, okay. And no more humming, no more. On the AM broadcast band, I'll get that constant. No more of that. So there you go. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and smash the like. Of course, smash the like button. Give it a thumbs up. Wow. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.